So good afternoon everybody. This is my next video on the mind brain system. So I was just discussing about thoughts. So thoughts are basically the byproduct of the belief systems. We are made to believe certain things, and those certain things are repeated over time again and again. Because of that, there is a certain sort of neural pattern which gets developed in the mind brain system. And this neural pattern, a normal person is trapped within his belief system. He is unable to reach to the truth, but he is just driven by the belief systems. So these belief systems are the root cause of every pain. The root cause of every war is in the belief system. People believe something which may not be true. They don't have any proof that it is true or not. For example, in Hinduism, there is a concept of reincarnation or the rebirth. It assumes that the consciousness inside or the soul takes rebirth until it is liberated. But in Islamic faith or in Jewish faith or the Christian's faith, they don't believe in rebirth. They believe that soul is born once, and after that there will be a doomsday. And at the doomsday, all the people who had been buried will again rose. And at that day or the judgment day, they will be judged on the basis of their deeds. So my question is, how they know this? How they know something which you can only know when you are dead? What is the proof that they have? Apart from the belief system, it's being read, it's being written somewhere. So apart from that, there is no proof. And when there is no proof, then we choose things according to our convenience. But the fundamental question, this can only be known after death. Only then you can be sure that what are the mechanisms. Is the soul exist after death or does not exist? This can only be known after you are dead. But after you are dead, you can't tell it to anybody. I'll continue in the next video.